car. Can move. Get out of the car.
Why? What did I do?
Get out of the car.
What did I do?
Get out of the car.
Why? What did I do?
Turn the car off for me. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Why? I didn't do anything.
I'll talk to you in a minute.
I didn't do anything.
I will talk to you in a minute.
What
You're
did I
Electra,
do,
correct?
sir?
Open the door, please.
Can you please tell me what I did? I don't understand.
I'll tell you in a second. Just open the door.
Why can't you tell me what I did?
Open the door.
Can you please?
Sure, correct.
Right?
Okay. You're the owner of the car.
Yes?
Yes. Okay. So step out of the car.
Because I went over a lane.
Nah, it's all bullshit, dude.
Let me tighten it up a bit. Can you spot for me? I'm gonna move forward.
Just open the.
You just said that I went over a lane and you're trying to get me out of my car? Why? Sir, why are you doing this?
Do you want me to break the window?
No!
You want me to open it? Yeah.
Can you please explain to me why you're doing this?
Ma'am, you got.
Because I went over a lane?
Ma'am, you got a warrant, okay?
For what?
I believe it's out of Old Saybrook, Troop F's area.
I don't understand why you're doing this.
Please open the door.
Why? I didn't do anything.
Step out of the car. It's a lawful order from the state police. Get out of the car.
No. What are you
I might just shoot a little pepper spray in the car. Give me my stick back. My stick back. There you go.
Open the door. He's breaking the window. Open the door. He's going to break your window. Do you want a broken window?
Open the door. Open the door.
Do you want a broken window? So open the door. What are you doing?
Open the
Open the
What are you doing?
Open the door. Ram in the car. She's running northbound. They gapped her tire.
Ran the cruiser. Right here.
I knew she turned down on that road, bro. I knew she turned off the road, bro. Nah, there's something here. Kendall Extension.
Come up here.
Trip, there's a 10 with that vehicle, unattended. Imagine that's the female who's booking it through the neighborhood.
Can I shut it off?
This thing, yeah. They're actually, hang on, I got it. They're going to have a dog, so.